Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart, hourly chart of gold in front of us. And as you can see that after this massive move yesterday, gold is right now standing at 1829. The move was so big that I had to come yesterday to make a quick video on gold. So gold ultimately faced some resistance around the Fibonacci 0.50 level here. And after that, we saw some correction, but still we can see that gold is not in a mood of going down. And we can see right now a triple top kind of a pattern formation. So my dear friends, before I proceed with the video, I would like to mention that today we have NFP. Big day for the Forex traders. So after NFP, market will be extremely volatile. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Always keep in mind that you will get plenty of opportunities in the market to make money. So no need to risk your hard-earned money, hard-earned capital in an extreme volatile market when the market seems to be very lucrative, but no levels work. Yes, when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals fail. But we traders have no control over fundamentals, so we're stuck with the technical. So as a result, you should know when to trade in the market, but most importantly, you should also know when not to trade in the market. So please be careful during the NFP. This is the forexfactory.com. You can see we have NFP. Apart from NFP, we also have news on CAT, JPY, GBP, and many others. So be careful. Friday will be a very eventful day for Forex traders. Last NFP was blockbuster because the number was 517K. Okay, this was a blockbuster number. So as a result, we saw DXY flying. This time, the forecast is 224K. Let's see how the market performs during the NFP. And there's the news: gold prices edge higher as dollar softens on US data. Gold price edged up on Friday as the dollar eased after data showed that weekly US jobless claims grew more than expected, spreading hopes that a softening labor market could pave the way for less aggressive rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. As a result, we saw correction, we saw fall on the chart of DXY yesterday, and that was the main reason why we saw sudden upside on the chart of gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and others. Right now, DXY is standing at 105.20. If you look at the overall chart here, then the overall trend of the market may be towards the upside, but the present sentiment is not very bullish. To be honest, I have no idea what will happen to DXY after NFP, but before NFP also we can see the market is not very bullish. So before NFP, you may see some correction on the chart of DXY. Usually we do not get to see extreme volatility before the news. Okay, in any market of the world, you will see a silence before a big event, but we may see some selling on the chart of DXY. So right now DXY is standing at 105.20. I think 105 should be the level for DXY for the day before NFP. 105 to 104.90. This should be the support for DXY before NFP. After NFP, it may start flying, it may start going down. No idea. So during news, if you're an experienced trader, try to trade according to the price move. Do not try to predict the market. Do not try to play the guessing game. Guessing game is very dangerous because most of the traders lose money because most of the time we think that how far the market will go. Okay, it has made the top, let's go for a sell. How far the market will go down, it has made the bottom, let's go for this, let's go for a buy. This is the main reason why I lose money in the market. Okay, so before NFP, okay, before NFP, the important levels for the day are 1839 at the top, 1839, 1840, 40. Let me write it down. 1839 to 1840 is the level before NFP. And the reason is that, see, yesterday when market tried to go up, it was Fibo 50 Fibonacci 50% retracement that acted as the resistance. So one thing is very much clear, that the Fibonacci is working here. So as a result, we can definitely hope that Fibonacci 61.8 will also act as resistance. So if market behaves normally before the news, then we can definitely expect 18, 13 and 40 to act as resistance. If market hits and reverses, yes, reversal is important. Confirmation is the insurance of traders, so it is very important. If you see the price is struggling around 1839 level, if you see price is showing price rejection from above, forming shooting star kind of a pattern or anything like that, you can go for a sell. If not a very big trade, at least you can expect a profit of 40, 45, 50 pips. 1839, 1840 is the next resistance for the day. But keep in mind, confirmation will be very, very important, because market has shown extreme volatility yesterday. And as I have already mentioned a couple of minutes ago, that we have a triple top kind of a formation going on the chart. So as a result, a drop on the price, okay, a drop can also be seen. In case market starts falling, observe the volatility of the market. If you see market coming down, okay, or falling with big red candles like the green candles yesterday, okay, if you see market falling with big massive red candles, then obviously no support will work and you should look for a sell. But if you see the market is coming down, but the volatility of the market is not very high, market is not showing extreme volatility, in that case you can expect the market to take support around 1822 level. This is the first support for the day, and we have 1819 to 1820 as the second support for the day. So these two are the levels, okay, these two are the support levels for gold before NFP. So whatever I have mentioned right now, these are the levels that we can trust before NFP. After NFP, okay, after NFP, I will not recommend any level, because market will show extreme volatility. So it's better to avoid trade during the news. If you're an experienced trader, then that's a different chapter. You can just move along with the flow of the market. But before NFP, you can trust these levels. So 1822 is the first support. If market comes down and takes support and bounces, you can look for a buy. And 1819 to 1820 is the second support. In case this level fails, this is a second support where you can expect the market to take support. If market takes support, if you see prices showing hammer kind of a pattern, price rejection from below, you can go for a buy order. Confirmation is very, very essential. For confirmation, you can also use the 1 hour time frame, or you can also use the 15 minutes time frame as well. So please be careful, follow proper risk management, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, as you already know, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back, that I conduct in both Hindi and English. दोनों लैंग्वेज में होता है. So the next dates are 16, 17 and 18th of March. Everything is mentioned on the website. So my dear friends, if you really like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely join the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. In case you are unable to attend, you will also get the recording. And the best part is that you will also receive support for 1 month. Means all these benefits for 1 month you will receive. In case you join now, no need to worry that you won't receive support for 1 month. Yes, after workshop you will be receiving support for 1 month. So once you enter the website, you will see that I have also made some questions so that you can understand the workshop will be useful for you or not. The workshop has been designed mostly for traders who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years, not for complete beginners. If you don't understand charts and all, please, this workshop is not for you. Okay, if you have been losing, then only you should join. I have also shared my story because I was also a big time loser around in the years of 2013, 14. Okay, so just to let you know that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, so you can see the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Don't confuse with Pro Trader program and workshop. Workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, so these are the benefits you'll receive for 1 month once you join the workshop. And the best part is the fees. You can see it's only $15. $15 or 1,000 rupees for 3 days workshop plus 1 month support. I don't think so you'll get a better deal than this. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. Hopefully you'll love it. Bye bye, take care.